This is my strategic planning project by me, Tanner Silich. I chose to analyze Appalachian State University's financial statement from 2019 and create a couple ways that they could cut costs and also generate more revenue. 3 strategies to cut costs. Involvement of third parties. Third parties can be very beneficial to schools and universities. They can be seen as another source of income that colleges can use. When reviewing Appalachian State's financial statement, they had no third parties paying for their salaries of coach, staff, administration, etc. I feel if they utilize this resource, they could cut costs. The second way is reducing traveling costs for athletics. Appalachian State spent over $2.4 million in travel costs in 2019. I believe if they found a cheaper alternative to traveling, like flying cheaper flights, taking the bus, staying at cheaper hotels, etc. In an article by Rich Steinbach, he explained how University of Wyoming's women's soccer team was over budget for traveling expenses. To combat the problem, they took a bus and flew Frontier Airlines. By doing this, they saved about $200 a person compared to what they were regularly doing. The third strategy is avoid bowl games. In Appalachian State's financial statement, they generated $110,000 from the bowl game, but their expenses for the game were over $500,000. That is a loss of $400,000, which in anybody's eyes is not a good thing to see on a financial statement. In an article I read, it said that altogether colleges lost $15.5 million because of bowl games, so I think it would be best to stay away from these events. 3 strategies to increase revenue. The first way is to increase marketing and advertising. In Appalachian State's financial statement, they showed not a lot of money spent doing this. So I feel that if they could advertise the school and their athletes to draw in more people, they would generate more revenue. Also, if they cut the bowl games, they could dedicate the money to advertising and marketing. The second way is to increase the amount of sport camps. Appalachian State hosted a few camps, but if they did more, they would bring in more kids and support from the community. These sport camps also provided jobs for employees at the school who would not have jobs during the summer. Sport camps also put use of facilities that are not being used during the summer months by their athletics. The last strategy is to get more sponsorships. Sponsors help the business promote themselves, but also give the school more exposure. For example, in an article I saw, New Balance gave $500,000 to renovate a high school football stadium, and in return, they got naming rights. The school benefits because of the new stadium. They will have more people and interest from the community, and also promotion by New Balance. I feel if Appalachian State applied these strategies, they could cut costs and increase revenue.